फ्रेंड्स, आज एक क्राफ्टिंग वीडियो होने वाली है जिसमें हम बनाएंगे पेंसिल टॉपर। पेंसिल टॉपर बनाने के लिए आपको वेस्ट पेपर के कोई भी 2 सर्कल्स कट करने हैं और उसके बाद आपको कोई स्ट्रिप कट करनी है और आपको अपनी पेंसिल लेनी है और इसको लाइक दिस रोल कर लेना है। सी आई एम डूइंग इट फ्रॉम बैक साइड। आप चाहे तो पेंसिल इस रोल स्ट्रिप को भी कलर कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम नॉट कलरिंग इट। ओके, सो नाउ ये it is done. Now we will paste it. So let's paste it. Okay, so I have pasted it. Now we will take the 2 circles and we'll color it with some sketches. Okay, so I have colored it, but I forgot to color this. But if you want to leave as it is, you can leave it, or if you want to color it, you can color it. But I want to color it, but I don't want to waste my time, so I will do the magic. Let's do the magic. Oh, so I have colored it also. So now we'll paste it. So I was thinking that it is not looking good, so I will color it also. So let's do the magic. Okay, so I have colored it also. Now we will paste all of the things. So let me tell you how to paste it. So first we will press it a little bit like this. And then we will take the paper that we have colored, then we'll paste it like this. So let's paste it. So same here, we have to paste it like this. So let's paste it. Okay, so now I have Fevicol. I have pasted like this. So as you can see, the extra part like white, so we will cut the extra part. So now I have cutted it and our pencil topper is ready. So let's see how our pencil looks. Wow, it looks so nice. Wow, I have loved this craft. So if you loved my craft, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye and have a nice time.